Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Trojanbot Renounced Coins Setting explained. So to get started, the renounced coin settings in the context of a bot like Trojanbot, often used for trading meme coin on a network like Solana, refers to a crucial characteristic of cryptocurrency smart contract. When a smart contract ownership is renounced, it means the original developer or team has permanently given up administrative control over it. This action typically involves transferring ownership to an unexpendable address, making it possible for original creators to modify the contract code, mint new token, or execute the privilege functions that could potentially manipulate the coin supply or rug pull. Investors for users of a bot like Trojanbot, this settings is vital because it signifies a high degree of decentralization and security that is theoretically prevents the developer from making a sudden malicious changes. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.